Day 6, we're on the jackpot hunt. We were using the Psycho play button just to see what it would collect, for example. It looks like it doesn't collect anything, so there is that. So we're using it now to try and get up as high as we can on the board. Then we take over and we're trying to get the jackpot. £20 challenge. This will take us up to 120 quid, obviously. You can do the maths. Let's go. Just to say, whilst other people do use this machine, the remaining challenges will be run consecutively. So I'm going to be putting another £20 in straight after this and uploading the video tomorrow. And yeah, apologies for not uploading videos every day. I do have a home life. I don't play fruit machines for a living. Sometimes I just forget. Taxi! That's the one I'd normally go for, 7. And if it rolls that 7, I think it's 7, yeah, you get the other extra zone straight after. Extra zone, surely. Right, how many knockouts have we got now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is it? 6 quid nudges. Hi, let's go. Sort that one in. Does that ever say yes? And also, does the Barcrest burn ever flash on the mystery? Remember on the 15 jackpot version, you'd get, now and then it'd let you slow it down with the Barcrest button. I feel like I should have stepped in on that 8. 9 nudges, 6 quid. Not great. Nudge. Whoa! I think I asked in one of the previous videos whether the stopper actually gets up there ever. That's quite good. I'll get to really step in here. Oh man! I thought it would just go on the 10. Why did it not go on the 10? This looks promising. I can't believe it's not going on the 10. Alright, let's see what I can get us to. £6. Anyone know what the opposite of the Midas touch is? Definitely got a bit of that. There's a 5 up there. Not sure. What a crap exchange. £8. Wasting my time, isn't it? I know, I have 3 knockouts. Do I want them in the green zone? Big jackpot in there. I'll go on that. Probably shouldn't have done. I do maintain, would you let them spin on 20, 25, 30, something like that? it didn't fancy the 10 again. Extra zone, please. Don't take knock out. Add again. Semi-promising. I think we'll get to the green zone. Whoa! And again. Extra zone now and then dead. Then I've got to walk over, press the button for death. Didn't have to be Nostradamus for that one. But is this ready to play jackpot? The last 40 quid, I'd suggest we review our position, but I'm committed. Not the most eventful. 120 down. Come back tomorrow.